Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn collective nouns. Collective nouns represent the group or the collection of people or things. For example, army, pack, etc. A class of students. An army of ants. A grove of trees. A pair of shoes. A pod of peas. A pile of money. A colony of penguins. A gang of thieves. A knot of toads. A tribe of natives. A packet of chips. A chest of drawers. A fleet of ships. A bunch of keys. A box of toys. A bar of soap. A bottle of milk. An album of photographs. A loaf of bread. A flight of butterflies. An army of frogs. A herd of dinosaurs. A pride of lions. A pack of wolves. A swarm of bees. An intrusion of cockroaches. A cloud of grasshoppers. A farm of liars. A patrol of policemen. A roll of film. A pile of books. A gallon of gasoline. A catch of fish. A choir of singers. A board of directors. A team of workers. A flock of tourists. A gaggle of women. A committee of experts. A colony of whales. A clutch of wrestlers. A band of musicians. A cup of tea. A can of soda. A bouquet of flowers. A gaggle of geese. A farrow of piglets. A cast of falcons. A kit of pigeons. A gang of elk. A galaxy of stars. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.